Hello everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert any PDF file into a PowerPoint presentation which will be completely free using Adobe Acrobat's online tool. No software installation, no payment, just a simple browser trick that works on any laptop. So, if you're a student, teacher, or professional, this is going to save you a lot of time. Let's get started. Firstly, open your browser and search for PDF to PPT converter Adobe and then just press on enter. And this is the site which we will be using. So, just open this link and then you will arrive at this interface. Now, I have also provided the link to this website in the description box below, so you can just go and check that out. Now, once you've arrived at this interface, you need to click on the select a file option. And then from here, you would need to select whichever PDF you want to turn into PPT. So just select that and then click on open. Now, once the file is uploaded, Adobe will automatically start converting your PDF to PowerPoint. You don't need to click anything, just wait a moment and let it finish processing. And once you can see the download button, just click on that. Now, once your PPT is downloaded, you can go to your file explorer and then open that PPT using your PowerPoint. And there you go. Your PDF is now converted into PPT format. Now, depending on how your PDF was created, if it was text-based, then your slides will be editable. So if you just click on Enable Editing, now if you click on your text, it is editable. So now you can just go ahead and change the text or like add a new text if you wish to. You can even change the color and the font of the text from here. Now, if it was a scanned image, it may convert as static image on each slide. So now you can rearrange your content, add animations or customize it however you want. And the best part about this is that you don't need to pay because it's completely free to use for basic conversions. Now, do you need an Adobe account for this? Sometimes after one or two conversions, Adobe may ask you to sign in. Just create a free Adobe ID to continue using it. Well, so that's it. That is how you convert any PDF to PowerPoint using Adobe Acrobat's free online tool. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and please do not forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro for more useful tech tips. And if you have any queries regarding this video, do make sure to put them in the comments box. Thank you and have a nice day.